Hello, I just wanted to make this quick video just to show you how to fix this issue with Firefox and Kaspersky. So you may not have known Kaspersky updated to the new version for 2021 and it actually broke something with Firefox and YouTube. So for example, if you click on a thing, it'll keep telling you to sign in, and this gets really annoying because for example, if you're trying to type something in your history, like for example test, it makes you sign in again. And when you try to click sign in again, you lose the search history. Then you just have to type over again. So basically, every time when you just click on a video or anything, it'll just sign you out again. And I didn't know this until I went on Reddit and did a did a search, and I came across this article right here, and I was reading through and I made a comment, and this person said if you have Kaspersky, you should update to the latest version or disable inject scripts into web traffic to interact with web pages and network settings. And that clearly worked. And basically all you have to do is just open your Kaspersky software. You have to go to settings, additional network, and disable this, because apparently this was the cause of YouTube making you sign out. And for this to work, just restart your browser. And just to prove this works, I'm going to show you real quick. So as you can see, yeah, come on, load. You can see I'm signed in. Now if I move around, type in history again, and it's working. And this is how you fix that issue. Shout out to Pan right here, who helped me out a lot. Like, thank you very much, because I would just been struggling if I didn't know this. And clearly this is not really out on YouTube yet, so I wanted to be the first to help you guys out. I hope this helped. Leave a comment down below for my next video I should make for tech related. I hope this helped, and see you next time. Goodbye.